minding my business, drinking water, doing crunches, getting paid for discussions over Alchemist production. User roses for seduction. Well, rolling.